what's up? It's Hannah and welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new here. Today is April 15th and I'm currently out at the barn. I'm working on a new chicken coop. This chicken coop is probably going to be my Blue Americanas coop. The Blue Americanas are doing really good. They're a little over a month old now, and I currently have them in a brooder inside of the barn right here. So once I finish the coop, I'll move the brooder into their new chicken coop, and I'll let them out like in the coop during the day and then back in the brooder at night until they're big enough to completely transition into their new coop. I currently have all the horses eating. I don't know if you can see Lady over here in this corner or not. And I have Levi right here in front of me, and then Blue Jeans and the Minis are over there. And I have all the cows eating. So I'm right here with Levi. I started him on a new supplement a couple days ago. I started him on the MannaPro, I don't know if y'all can see it. It's the MannaPro Full Calories 100, and it's a dry fat supplement. And I've heard some really good things about it, and I've had some friends use it and they really liked it. So I'm currently transitioning him onto this. I'm just using just a little bit, that way I can like gradually get him on it. And I'm also giving a little bit to Lady because I like to put a little bit of weight on her as well. And I'm still doing beet pulp, alfalfa pellets, his senior feed, all of that on top of this. So hopefully it will help him. If y'all have ever used it, let me know how you liked it down in the comments. Right now he's eating his supplement on some beet pulp and senior feed. I still have him on the Purina Senior. I really love that stuff, so I'm hoping in conjunction with this, it will help him a lot. Alright y'all, don't mind the mess in here. I'm redoing the barn right now, so it's a complete disaster. But this is what I'm currently dealing with. So I'm gonna go over here. This right here is the silky coop, and then this is gonna be the next coop. Yesterday I moved dirt in here because the ground was a little bit low, so I moved in some dirt, which that's what took most of the time, honestly, was moving the dirt. And then I put up this wire right here, and then I put up half of that wire. I have to finish painting it, but since these boards are on the outside, I can do that later. Today I'm hoping to get, which that won't take long, I gotta put that wire up, and then the door is going right here in the middle. Eventually I would like to put up some like fence slats like horizontally like up the wall to like make like a shiplap kind of look. I think that'd be really cute. Or like some type of paneling, and there's like wallpaper you can get for chicken coops. I think it'd be super cute. I can't do that right now, but like one day. Okay, I just cut my next piece. It's going up here. When I'm doing the bottom, I don't cut it, but since I can't like hold the roll up top, I went ahead and cut it a little bit bigger than what I know I needed. Forgot a hammer. If you're ever trying to do something and you need help but you don't have any, you just find a way to do it yourself, okay? I took this and just tied it to put pressure on the wire to make it tight, and this is what I've been doing, and it works really good. Alright, I just finished with this top piece. I'm gonna cut off the excess wire on the ends now. There we go. And now we just have to put on the door. Good morning, y'all. It is now the next day. I'm currently outside feeding up. Look how cute this little baby is. This is a Lavender Orpington. And Dash is in my lap, just chilling. Oh my gosh. You are the cutest little thing. What are you doing, buddy? Oh my goodness. Get it. Oh gosh. Woo! Oh my gosh. Okay, they're just gonna have to drink it a little bit more. Whew. They love their belly rubs. Good morning, y'all. I'm pretty sure it's April 17th. 18th. It's the 18th. Yesterday, I went and got a hinge for the chicken coop door because I only had one because I lost the other one. So I needed another one to put the door on. I haven't done that yet, but I went and got the hinge for it. And Lila and I also went and picked up some, oh my gosh, some rare Orpingtons. Well, they're like hard to find around here anyway. They're the mottled Orpingtons. I got 2 blue and 1 black, and then I also got a white silky coaching mix, which I'm super excited about. And I'm fixing to leave right now to go and get 2 more white silky chicks. A couple weeks ago, oh, Austin's waiting on me. Alright, thank you. Anyway, Austin is coming with me right now to go and get 2 more silky chicks because I had vlogged a couple weeks ago me getting 3 silkies and they were all roosters. So I'm getting 2 more white ones right now that are chicks, and I'll show y'all them shortly whenever I get them, and I'll also show y'all the ones that I got yesterday. I'm literally so excited about them. I'm gonna breed them with my Lavender Orpington rooster because I think the mottled is like a dominant gene. So I'm thinking if I breed them with him, then I'll get like 50% mottled and then 50% lavender or blue. So we will see, but I'm super, super excited. Super rainy and nasty out today. Alright, y'all, I just got back home. So cute. Oh my goodness. I got 2 of them, and then I got that white one yesterday. And I also have some blue ones that I just hatched out that I'm probably going to keep for now. Silkies take a long time before you can sex them. Probably until like they're 8 months old maybe. It just kind of depends. So I'm going to keep them for now, and then probably keep just the hens whenever they're bigger. See, I just got home. I just stopped up the road because I saw there was a cow out. And there was an older lady with it, so I stopped and asked her if she needed help, but the cow just jumped back in when I got there. So yeah, I'm gonna go and put these babies in the brooder, and I'm gonna hopefully get the chicken coop door on so I can get the Americanas in there. So yeah, I'm super excited about that. That's what I'm gonna go and try to work on right now. Alright, y'all, it is now a few days later. It is April 22nd. In the last clip, when I said I was going to try and work on the chicken coop and fix the door and everything, it literally stormed for the rest of the day, and I think the following day after that. So I have not been able to work on that. But our friend that lives next door, who we are in partnership with the cows with, she was able to order some more panels. So today, her and I are planning on extending the cow pen. Actually, I'll go and show y'all really quick what it looks like and what we're trying to do. It's like noon right now, so I think I'm gonna start working on it after lunch. Okay, so this is what they have right now. That's their shelter. And then I actually have them locked in right here since we're working on it. So all of this is staying right here. Normally this gate is open and this panel is connected to this one. And they have all of that over there. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna split this property in half. So it's gonna just come off this wood fence all the way back. You can't see it from here. It's hard to see since the panel's there, but like that little wood pile, it's gonna be like all the way past that, like back there. They'll have like all of that, and then they'll be able to come back over here into their little shelter. Baby. There's Honey.
Pick up the phone. Pick up the phone. Come on, pick up the phone. Pick up the phone. Pick it up. Pick up.
I don't know who that was. What are you doing? Are you ready to have a bigger pasture? Huh? Oh my gosh. Tucker. Those trees are so pretty when they're blooming with those white flowers that they get. Alright y'all, it's now a few hours later and we have all the panels up and the cows are out. There's Honey right there. And Blondie's behind her. And then Tucker's over there. So yeah, we have the cow pasture now, so that's really nice. We're really excited about it. Alright y'all, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here so I can start on another one. But I thank y'all so very much for watching. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button if you'd like to see more of my videos. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I appreciate y'all so much and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.